Hi guys, this is Cupcake 2000ish, and I wanted to show you my first Pop-Tarts that I ever made. They're turquoise kind of blue. They're not like the one it looks like. I made this one, and it has a little bite to the side, and it has holes just like a Pop-Tart, and it's blue frosting. This one, in the back of it looks like that. It also has a bite and blue frosting and also holes. And this one, blue frosting and holes, and then the back and then a bite. Those were my first ever Pop-Tarts. I'm gonna make custom ones, but add a eye pin or lobster clasps to them to make them necklaces. Thanks for watching. Bye.